Momming on a budget, momming on a budget, momming. Okay, guys, so holidays for us and Christmas, I should say, for us is not all about the presents. So I'm going to be recording a video on how we use Dollar Tree products to have a great hot chocolate experience. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is the Cold Stone flavored hot beverage birthday cake remix. I'm also going to be using the peppermint spoons from Dollar Tree. Ooh. I'm also going to be using the candy canes from Dollar Tree, and this is a mug that I got last year from Walmart, and this was 70% off, so I only ended up paying about $3 for the whole kit. It came two in a mug for a kit, and also with the hot chocolate. Now, if you don't want to use the birthday cake remix, this is the option that I am showing, but I'm going to be using the hot chocolate mix from Dollar Tree. So stay tuned if you guys want to see how I set this up for my kids. Okay, guys, so I asked my daughter what it was that she wanted, and she wanted to go with the Cold Stone birthday cake remix. So this is what we're going to go to. It has actual sprinkles on the inside. So we're going to take 2 spoons. I'm just going to use this spoon right here. And we're going to take 1 big spoon. And then a half a spoon of it. And I'm just going to mix that in. So I already have hot water already mixed in to this. And it looks pretty good. But for me, I like a lot of flavor, and my daughter is a lot like me. So I'm just going to rinse this off really quick. And I'm just going to add some more flavor and some more sprinkles. And I'm just going to take a spoonful just like this. And I'm going to add it into the hot water. And then I'm going to continue to mix. And I've actually tried this. So it really, really tastes very, very well.
Yes.
So I'm going to come back to you with the toppings and everything that I like to add into her hot chocolate. So let's go grab the marshmallows, the peppermints, and everything else. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we have used these a lot. What I'm going to take is the Fireside mini marshmallows that I have also gotten from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to top that right on top of her hot chocolate. And then what I am going to do is I already have a spoon unwrapped. And I'm just going to stick her spoon in to the side. And then a candy cane from the Dollar Tree.
Yep.
And I'm going to stick that on the other side. And that's going to be her hot chocolate for our hot chocolate and movie night festivities. Okay, guys, so this is what her hot chocolate looks like. From the top, she loves the birthday cake remix, so that's why she opted for that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please, please, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. Have a good night, guys. Bye.